So you have a TV and you want to hook it up to your receiver. Let's say you have a standard receiver, one kind of like this with HDMIs, AVs, digital ins, and a whole bunch of typical plugs. If you have one like this, you have two options. Number one, if you have a smart TV and you can play Netflix, Amazon Prime, one of these apps directly from your smart TV, then all you need to do is go from the TV to the receiver with an HDMI ARC cable. HDMI ARC from the TV in to the receiver, HDMI cord from your smart TV to the receiver. Second option, the digital optical cable. This will also produce 5.1 surround sound signal, and that can just go one way from the TV, your smart TV, to your receiver. Some TVs that are not smart TVs still have digital optical. This is the back of a typical receiver here with digital optical in right there. It's one of these cords. It's a different cord than an HDMI. Let's say you have a TV that's not a smart TV, and you have a separate box on the side like a Roku, Chromecast, PlayStation 4, Xbox, Apple TV, DVD player. You can go with this box with an HDMI to the receiver and an HDMI from the receiver to the TV, just like how it's set up right here. From the PlayStation 4 to the receiver and from the receiver to the TV. When you're troubleshooting your devices, make sure you're on the right settings. That's the most common problem. Then you can also go into the receiver settings and make sure everything is configured properly. Super easy to do. I have another video on this as well. Very easy. You can also find the user's manual for your specific stereo online, easy, and you can bring up all the different options and specifications there as well. When you're setting up your stereo, just take your time and make sure everything's on the right setting. It's easy to do. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments. Put your questions down there and we can try and work out your problem and get your stereo working.